Hi everyone, my name is Jenny and welcome to Adventures with Jenny. Today we are in Traverse City, Michigan. We just arrived at the Anchor Inn. This is where we're going to be staying for 2 nights while we are in Traverse City. We are staying in a 2-bedroom cottage and it is super cute. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Jenny and on my channel I love sharing my different adventures, whether it is traveling locally in Michigan or up in the Northern Michigan area or traveling to Disney World or across the US. I am so glad that you found my channel and I cannot wait to share my adventures with you, so come along on this adventure. And if you're looking for a complete Anchor Inn resort tour and room tour, I will have that video linked down below. I go in depth about our 2-bedroom cottage, the inn, all the amenities, and why I think it is a great place to stay. So if you're interested in watching that video for a future visit to Traverse City to get some ideas on where to stay, I will have that video link down below. Headed to Tom's, which is a local grocery store. We needed to get a few items for our barbecue that evening, and they had a lot of great Michigan themed products, which was really fun to see. We just got back from Tom's Food Market, which is a local grocery store here in Traverse City, and we picked up a couple items to go with our burger, some potato salad, tomato, onion, those kind of things. And then we also got some drinks, water, pop for my mom, iced tea, and then I got some local craft beer. So we are going to start dinner. There are grills outside, so my dad is getting that ready. And we're gonna grill dinner and just have a really great evening. So far it's been really fun. The weather is beautiful. It is definitely warm. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get dinner started. Hey, did you get a birthday present? Yeah. This from Mom. What did you get?
A Marshall toy.
Did you get a Marshall toy?
Yeah.
Hold it up and let's see. Wow. Franklin, how old are you?
3. Happy birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
Franklin.
Yeah.
How old are you?
3.
Yeah.
What's that? Do you see Pluto?
Yeah.
Wow. Hold up your card.
Hey, in here. Is that a sticker? Where should we put it?
Happy birthday. Down to the beach. We've had such an incredible day and it's been so much fun. Have you had fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you having a great birthday?
Yeah.
Having so much fun. For the night. We had an incredible first day here in Traverse City. It was so much fun celebrating Franklin's 3rd birthday here at the Anchor Inn. We had an incredible time. We loved our barbecue. We loved sitting at the picnic table. It's a great space having a grill and picnic table available in front of our cabin to be able to utilize that during our stay. So we enjoyed that, and then we came in and changed and we went down to the beach for a little bit, and Franklin had a blast. Loved it so much. Came back to our room and changed. Franklin is currently sleeping right over there, and I think that's gonna wrap up our day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next adventure, in the next video. Until next time, bye.